Hi folks, I'm Steve and I'm reporting about the blizzard happening in Littleton, Mass. The wind is blowing about 35 miles per hour. Be safe by staying inside. Now we'll be tackling it to the floor and Nyla Cat. Bye.
Hi, I am Nyan Cat. We're in Littleton, Massachusetts, and there is a huge blizzard. 15 inches of snow have fallen so far. Stay off the 495. The roads are not safe. Now, over to Laura Frankenmine for safety.
Hello, I'm Laura Frankenmine. Here are some guidelines to stay safe. First, stay inside. Have a first aid kit ready. You need a winter jacket. Get out of a car and take cover. If you need a rescue, keep a whistle and phone with you.
Bye. Stay safe. Have a great day.